Hello friends, hope you are doing good. In this video, we will be discussing one of the unique and simple setup which is I am using for the Bank Nifty scalping. The winning probability is 80 to 85%, and we'll see what are the indicators is used in this setup and how I'm taking buy and sell trades. Uh, okay, so now the indicator I'm using here is the normal MACD indicator with the default setup, no changes to that, and one of the exponential moving average which is 8. So these two indicators you will be getting in almost all trading platform, including your normal trading view platform as well. Okay, which is the commonly used for all the traders. So now what is the trade setup here? The time frame we will be using 3 minute. Chart type is the normal candlestick. Okay, and then in the long setup, so we need a green candles which is close above exponential moving average 8, and the condition is MACD should be above the zero line, and the previous candle size should not be less than, it should be less than 90 or 80, not exactly 9, but the basic funda is it should be a small candles, not very large candle. And the long, you need to go for the long from the high of the candle, that is the long setup. Similarly, in the short setup, we need to check one candle which is closing below EMA 8, and MACD should be line 0, below line 0, and previously candle should not be more than 90. That means should be less, it should be small candle, right? And the short, you need to go for the short from the low of the candle. So now we'll see some example, and then we'll go to the chart and we'll see what the stop loss and how you can trade it. So this is one of the example I have taken from 6th August. As per the strategy, I'll just explain now. First criteria is MACD should be below 0. That is for a short setup, and should always be more than 0. That is for long setup. Now in this case, and the sixth, so initially you can see the MACD is above 0, but we didn't get any buy setup. The reason behind is, you see the candle size. The candle size is more than 90, the candle which is crossing. So that's the reason we avoid here. And this is also more than 90, so we avoid here. This is also more than 100, so we avoid here. This is the one setup here. This is the one setup, but price did not go above the high, so this setup didn't work. So now there is no other setup. This is the big, very big candle. Anyway, MACD is above 0. We need to look for the only buy setup. So we are avoiding all this. Now from this 10:30 onwards, MACD start falling. MACD start falling. So then we need to start looking to short setup, right? So here, this is the first one. We got a short setup, and maybe it is a small profit, but almost it didn't work. That's fine. So next we got one more setup here. Then you can see a short sell executed here, and we got the very good profit. So another setup, we are not going to go for long here because MACD is below 0, right? So buy only if we will go for buy only if the MACD is above 0, and one of the green candle close above the EMA, and previous candle size should not be more than 80 or 90. It should be a small candle. That's the main objective of that one, right? So here it is 0. Again it is below 0. So we got one more sell setup here. So now you see, anyway long we are avoiding. We will be avoid long throughout the day. We will be avoiding long because it is a full day MACD was less than 0. So we got another setup sell here, we got the profit. Another setup sell here, we got the profit. Another setup sell, we got the profit. And now the question is how to book profit. You see, as we already mentioned, this is a scalping setup. This is not a positional. You should not be holding till getting target 1, target 2. This is not that kind of setup. That setup is different. We are not going to discuss here. So this is the quick scalping. So you need to put a buy here or sell here, like you can buy the P here, and as soon as you get some 20 point, 30 point, you need to exit here. That is one. Another is if candle is very big enough and it is closing somewhere here, and you can put your stop loss cost to cost and try to ride the trend if possible. Otherwise, book a small amount. So what I do, If there is a momentum, I keep on trailing, even though it's been 5 points also, I keep trailing it. If it is hitting my sell, I'm okay with the 5 points. Otherwise, if it is a big, now for example, this one, candle close here. If candle close here, you can exit here itself. No need to wait for next candle. So you can get it. So remember, this is a scalping setup, not a positional. We are not holding trade for more than two candles. And time frame is a smart short time frame. It is a 3 minute. You can use uh, 2 minutes as well. Let's see another example. So this is an example of 5th August where you can see MACD is going down and up. So now in this case we will get the both type of examples. Now here, now MACD is low, so we need to look for the sell setup. Now you can see we are getting a sell here, and on the 5th we are getting a sell here. We got the profit. We got a sell here. We got the profit. And now when the MACD start moving up, see here MACD start moving up, but we are not going to buy. Here in MACD we are not going to buy. So we are avoiding the long here. Only will buy here. Why? Because MACD is above zero and the candle close above the sorry, this is little bit mistake. Long should be happen to this candle, not this candle. This candle, right? So then this is also long, but we are avoiding because our we have one more condition. Candle size should not be more, should not be big. So it is a very big candle. Even the market goes up, we are avoiding it because many time it happens if it is very big candle form, next candle is going down. Even it just touch and come down. So we are going to avoid this kind of situation. So now then there is no more short long here. Yeah, it is there is a long here, but price did not go. So this is not a setup, right? So now this is also a big candle. We are avoiding the long. This we can take a long because this is small candle and MACD of zero. We can go for a long, and we got the very good profit here. The next, if you exit from the close of next candle also, you will get profit, and you can see how the next candle very big is easily in the option. You can get the 30 points, 20 to 30 points. That is more than enough for scalping. So next, there is no buy setup, no buy setup. Now MACD came down. So we have a sell setup here. So if we entered here in the chart, you can see the profit here. Now, okay. So now we have seen two example. Now we will go to chart, the live chart. You can see how the setup form, and we will go for the different dates, random dates, and see how this works. So this is Bank Nifty index chart, and we've already I've added the MACD, and we will be adding one more indicator. It's called moving average. You just type EMA, you will get one moving average exponential. Just add it. Once you add it, just change the setup settings to 8. Right? We will be changing it to 8. So if you ask me why I'm using 8, why not 9, 10, 11? So because I'm getting good signal at 8, you may get good signal 9 and 10. You can try for that. Okay, I will make it dark for the clear visibility. Okay, now we have done with the setup. Now as per our rule, we will go randomly and see how this works in different day. So we have already taken the example of 5th and 6th of August, so we will not be looking to that. We will go randomly one day and we'll see how it was. Okay, now I drag till 30th of July. So we'll see in the 30th of July how this strategy works and will it give profit or loss. If it's giving loss, how many times? If it's giving profit, how many times? We remember this is the scalping strategy. This is not positional. You not to hold. There is no such target saying that target one, target two, no such the kind of things. This is a completely scalping. Quick entry, quick exit. You have to enter quick and exit. How to do quick entry and exit in the platform? At the end of the video I will tell you how to do that as well. Okay, so watch this video till end. We'll come to know many more things. Now okay, let's start with our strategy, what the rule is. Now we've already discussed the rule is for the long MACD should be above zero, for the short MACD should be below zero. That is the first one. So now you can see on the 30th. Okay, let me drag here a little bit. This is 3 minute time frame. Remember, this is short time frame for the intraday scalping. Yeah, this is the full day of the 30th July. Okay, now from the start of the beginning of the day until this time, till 11 o'clock, MACD is below zero. Then we need to find only the sell setup. So let's start from the beginning. Now you see this is the huge candle. We are not touching anything. So this is going up. We are not doing buy. We will leave it. Now next, from here onwards, we need to search for the selling. So this is the candle which is price. This close above and is falling below. So we'll see the what is the size of this candle. Why I'm telling size of the candle, your size should be your stop loss. So high of this candle is will be your stop loss. So it is a 61 points. So it is less than it is as index point of concern. It is a less per 61 is the less. That is fine. So we will do a short here. So if you take a short position and below the low of this candle, as soon as price start moving, you need to immediately take position here. And once the candle close, you just exit here, or you can just see how big it is. You're getting 30-40 points, just exit here. Don't wait till, or there is a one more way to make maximum profit. So in this case, you are getting 30 points. So one more way is once you start getting the profit, like you start trailing your SL. In this case, you are getting a very big move here. You took an entry here. Immediately, you can put a stop loss in just half of this one, like 5 to 10 points of your profit point or 5 points. So I used to do like that. So if it is a big move, I'm getting 30 to 40, 30 points, 25 to 30 point. In a single shot, I'm booking profit there itself. I'm not trailing it. So if there is a very big move, immediately I'm trailing middle of the candle. And if it is coming down and hitting my trailing SS, I'm okay with 5 to 10 points also. But if it's a very big move, big candle, I'm not waiting. For example, if it is candle comes very big, I will not trail it. I'll just exit straight away. So yeah, you can say why I'm exiting. I can trail that one, but I am fine with that because I don't know what will be the next move. Okay, so we don't care about next move. We will just book profit and keep going. And now it is price is moving up. We are not going to buy again. This is the one again. One more short here because it is a zero and this is the short. So what the size of this candle? 40 points. So now how much we got here? The 50 point. So what happened here? Now once you see this candle start falling, this is the one, and how much point you are getting here if you exit from the close of the candle. This is the 11 point. Okay, so then if you trail your cost to cost, then you can achieve the next target, not next target, a big target, the next one, right? So we don't know, right? You see, now candle closed in the market closed, and you can see the candle, and we are feeling like that. But when the running market, we don't know whether this candle will big or this candle will start from here, go up immediately. Bank Nifty immediately it will go. You see now, see this example. It's a very big candle. Immediately, very red candle, double of that candle. You can't predict it. Now market start falling immediately. Single candle cover all the down, all the fall, a single candle cover everything. So you can't predict it, right? So best way the scalping is get the profit, just come out. 10 points if you are getting also, that is enough. 10-point profit is better than 10-point loss. Okay, so keep booking profit. Now let's see. Now here is one more trade. Yes, you will get a small one here, small profit, right? So now you see one is any short we are getting. So this is the candle which is close below and we are getting profit. This also, if we close below, we got some profit. So now we see now from here onwards, 1140 onwards, price MACD moved up like it is more than it is above zero. So we need to look for the buy setup. Now this setup will avoid because that time MACD was less than zero. Now this start from here. This is big candle, price didn't go, we leave it. This is also big candle, price didn't go, leave it. This is also we leave it. This is the small one. Okay, we can enter trade here. So if you enter trade here above of this candle, how much we got? Only 13 per 14 points, and it may hit stop loss here. Yeah, we will lose 20 points here. Correct. So we are losing 20 points here, but because price didn't move. So next candle, again we will take entry here because this is the candle which is close above the EMA 8. So we will enter the candle and we're getting a good, very good profit of 30 points. So we lost 20 points here, we got 30 points here. So now we'll see when the next buy setup is coming. This is the buy setup, but price didn't go. This is the setup, this one. So we'll take the trade and the high of this one. You see, it will not give chance to exit. Straight away it is giving profit. 50-point profit straight away. See the how it is go 127 point. But 127 point is possible to be book only we can trail it. So how to trail? You see now this is closing. So once this candle close, you can trail to closing of the candle or just half of the candle here. So next you can see it is going up and going if you keep trailing it, and somewhere here half of the candle you can exit here. Once this one below of the candle, you can exit here. Somewhere here you can exit it. But if you trail to half of this candle, the next candle may one week come and hit your SL trailing SL. That's okay because you are already in the profit. Okay. Anyway, we are doing scalping. We are not keeping trade for long time. So now let's see. Now if you have another buy setup here anywhere, no. Yeah, this is no. This is not the buy setup because buy setup we need when the price is below 80 EMA and going upside. You see price is already then up only and it is a small candle, green candle. So as per the price action, it will fall down. So try to avoid this kind of setup trade. So now we are not going to short here. We are not going to short. We are not going to short here. We are not going to short here because it's a big candle and we are not going to short. So market close here. So all done. So let's go to another day. Some random day will go and see how it was. So far, all the trade our work successfully except one. Okay. Now let's say 29. What is the 29 scenario? So MACD is above 0 till 11 o'clock. So we will see only buy setup. Shall I buy here? No, because the candle size is big. And market should trade below 8 and going up. That time itself, that time only will buy. Now this candle, what the size of this candle? Is it a big candle? No, it is not a big candle. So we can buy high of this candle. So how much profit we got here? Even if you exit in the next candle close, then also you get 10 points, right? And the next candle, if you trail it properly, we got 34 points. So we have a profit here. You can see easily we have profit here, and not we are not going to short here. So depend on other strategy, you can do that. But as for this strategy, there is not short recommended here. So now again, this candle is close above this. Can I buy here? Yes, I can buy if it is a small candle. But if it is more than 100 or 90, I will not buy. Yeah, it is 45. You can buy here. So high of this candle, I will buy here. So now see what the profit I got around 40 point. Okay. So I'm still repeating again and again saying this is the scalping setup. We can't, if you are getting 10, 20, 50 point in a single momentum, book a trade and close it because we never know what will be the next candle. Okay. So now still we are in buy. We will buy here. No. If we buy here, no. This we will buy here, no, because it came down. No. Now this can be sorted because MACD below 10 and it is closing below 9. So it can be sorted, or you can sort the next candle. We'll see what the size here. Yeah, it is small candle. You can sort here. No issues. You can sort here. So as soon as this price go up and start falling, you can sort here, and once the candle close, book the profit around 20 point. Book it. So next, leave this one. Again, because can it is down, we need to go for only short, no green candle. So here see very big rejection and price falling down. Short it here, low of this candle. So here. So next candle green. So next candle again red. So short it here. So you should be very fast executing. I will tell you how to do that also. So you see now 32 points. So if you get 2 or 3 trades, each trade 10 points. If you trade with 100 quantity, each time if you are getting thousand rupees. 5 trades you get 5,000 rupees. Sometimes you get very long as well. Okay, so sometimes. So now you got the profit you are booking. If you trail it, you get the very good profit here. So now again we need to go for short. This is the short. Okay, but it is false because price didn't go down, so there is no opportunity, there is no opportunity, there is no opportunity. Not now. From 11th, from 13th, 13 hours onwards, MACD become more than it is trading above zero, so we need to look for the buy setup. Now see, this is the one of the buy setup. You see, you take a trade here, long trade here above high. You see single candle itself give 50 points. Just exit here. No need to wait till next candle. If you're trailing, that is well and good. If you not, exit here, right? So if you when you are doing the option, definitely when it is moving 50 point, try always do with in the money. You also will get 40 point. Okay. So now there is no short here, no short, and here yes, we got a buy here. We got a buy here, and we get a trade, and we got a small profit. So that's what I'm saying. You see, now how we will come to know after this candle, there may be another candle go to very big, but now you see next candle came down. So we don't know. We can't predict what the next candle. Okay, we are not the astrologists. We don't know what will be the next candle. Better book profit and come out. That is the thumb rule of the scalping. No positional trading here. Position trading setup is different. We'll be discussing in some other videos, not now. Okay, now again this one. Shall I short here? No, because MACD is above zero. Even though it is falling, I'm not going to short here. So shall I enter trade long here because MACD is zero? No, because this candle size is very big. What the size of the candle? You can see now. What the candle size? Yeah, it is 50. Yeah, it can be traded. It can be traded. But the next candle is falling down, right? It didn't go cross your eye, so you cannot trade on this candle. So now this is the another candle which is and MACD is here. You can trade here as per the setup. There is an entry here, but we are getting SL here. So stop loss is below, but I don't wait till stop loss. Once it get red candle, we'll exit it. And the yes, so your stop loss, maximum stop loss should be low after this candle. Why I'm telling you now, you don't need to wait till this time. Once you get a red candle, if the red candle is small, exit it. But if red candle is very big, automatically you will get exit the low of this candle. That is the reason I'm saying once you get the red candle, you just exit it. So that way we can avoid the big loss. So can we have one more trade here? No. Here, no. Here, no. There is now, yes, this is the one candle 15, 18, which is the close of the market. There is no more trade. So we didn't get any trade. We got one SL, which is a small SL, and we got what are the trades we got? We are all in profit. So this is the setup, quick scalping setup, and I'm repeating again. Don't compare it with the positional which you hold for the 2 3 candle or target 1 target 2 kind of things. This is not. So now, so how to do this quick scalping? You are if you are good enough the scalping in the other terminals like Zerodha, Alice Blue, Fires, and 5paisa other thing, that is well and good. But I'm using another terminal, another broker terminal called SAS Online, and I'm using Nest Trader, where I'm doing buys and sell only in a single keystroke. I'm not typing any price. I'm not doing any type pricing entry at all. Only what I'm doing, pressing F1 and pressing F2. That's it. F1 will buy, F2 will sell. So immediately, if only two keystroke and enter. F1 enter, F2 enter, buying, selling done. Not even I'm typing on the screen, the numeric keypad. I'm not at all touching. So that is the how I'm doing very fast and booking profit. And if you want, and the brokerage is also very less, 9 rupees per trade. And if you pay 1,000 rupees monthly, Is unlimited trade you can do with no brokerage charges. Brokerage charges maximum will be 1,000 per month. Like me, like the scalpers, those are trading in every candle, not every candle, even this is one of the setup. There will be many other setup. People can trade in every high of every green candle. There are some people that trade a high of every green candle and trade closing their trade in the close of the next candle. So that way, if you do that way in normal traditional brokerage like Zerodha and other terminals, you have to pay huge brokerage charges, huge and huge. All your profit will go in the brokerage if you do scalping like that. So for that reason, I am using SAS and I am paying only 1,000 rupees per month. And whatever trade I will take, 100 trade, 1,000 trade, doesn't matter. There will be no brokerage on that one. So I will give the link in the description of this video and you can use that link and create an account. You also will get uh, opportunity to do scalping in multiple times in day with very less brokerage charges. I hope this video helping you in understanding the scalpings the first time doing, and thank you for watching this video. If you want to contact me, you can WhatsApp on this number and or you can mail me the email given below, and I will be giving Telegram link in the description. You can join in Telegram where I am giving the calls of the options and futures only when I'm confident and I can see that trade will go for profit. You can see the history of Telegram. All my calls, I'm giving very less calls, but all calls are the winning calls. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Have a good day.